In this video I will show you how to complete the Ill-Ledgible quest in Skate 4. So let's get right into the video. Now first of all you need to grind, and this is actually pretty simple. You just need to do a trick onto this and then you basically just grind. Now you need to do this 8 times, so yeah, that's that. You also need to manual, but that's actually just putting your right analog stick a little bit down, so just like I'm doing now. And then the last quest is to do a triple flip trick. Now first of all you need to place an object. I would recommend placing this one, and then you just basically need to do this trick. Oh wait, let me try that again. This trick, and then also keeping your right analog stick in the top right corner after you did that. So when you put it all together you will get this. And that's it for this video.